Hozir o'quvchi yozgan pie chartni tekshirib chiqamiz va kamchiliklarini va yaxshi yutuq tomonlarini aytib o'tib ketaman. Sizlar ham ko'rib o'rganib olsanglar bo'ladi. 4 yillik pie chart berilibdi. Social networks, email, digital camera, phone calls. Demak, bu yerda teenagerlarni telefon ishlatishdan maqsadlari berilgan. Ya'ni qaysi maqsadda necha foiz odamlar telefonni ishlatadi, tekshirishni boshlaymiz. Introductiondan boshlaymiz. The pie charts provide information regarding how the percentage of teenagers using their phones for purposes in Australia changed during 3 years starting from 2017. Shu yerda men shu during 3 years starting from degan narsani o'zgartirgan bo'lardim. Prosta 2016-yildan 19-yilgacha deb yozgan bo'lardim. From 2dan boshlab provide information o'rniga give information degan bo'lardim. Bu provide information Paul McCullin kitobida shu provide information, depict, demonstrate degan so'zlarni ishlatmasligini tavsiya qilgan. Give information about, illustrate, change, show bo'ldi. Show, illustrate, give information about. Faqat shu versiyalardan foydalanish kerak. Mapda mustasno. Mapda boshqa ko'rsatadi degan, o'sha demonstrate degan so'zlarni ham ishlatsa bo'ladi. Deb turib aytganda, shuning uchun regarding how the percentage of teenagers using their phones for purposes in Australia ni o'rniga regarding how yoki bo'lmasa for what purpose teenagers use their phone deb qo'ysak ham bo'laveradi. Sal how something changed degan struktura sal murakkablashib ketganga o'xshadi. Introductionni bu yerda mana birinchi feedback keep it simple. Oddiyroq yozaylik. Introductionda unaqa katta emphasis berib olish shart emas. Hop, overview qani. Overall the survey results indicated that. Shu yerda yaxshi, mana bu yaxshi belgi, chunki survey results indicated that bu pie chartni o'quvchi surveyligini bilgan, ya'ni bu o'sha survey, bu surishtiruv, tadqiqot bu. Masalan, ko'chada ham yuradi odamlar, siz nimaga qiziqasiz, nima uchun ishlatasiz telefoningizni, qanaqa nima deb turib, o'sha narsadan kelib chiqib turib tuzilganligini bilgan pie chartni bu task response ga yaxshi anaqa beradi, ball beradi. Survey results indicated that degan narsa. The percentage of Australian teenagers who used mobile phone for social networks and digital camera experienced upward trends. To varying degrees. Okay, hop, Australia digital camera va social network anaqasi. Digital camera and social network niki hop o'sibdi 50 dan 56 ga, 15 dan 20 ga. Okay. While the reverse was true for remaining categories. Moreover, social networks were the main reason of using phones in all given years. Moreover, social networks were the main reason of using phones in all given years. Shuni using social networks was the main reason deganimizda clarity yaxshiroq bo'lardi. Main reason of using phones. Yo'q, using ikkita bo'lib qolar ekan. Social networks was the main reason. Social networks were the main reasons of using phones in all given years. Was bo'lgandan keyin, were bo'lgandan keyin bu yoqda main reason bo'lsa bo'laveradi. Bo'ldi. Overallda boshqa qanaqa yo'q. Eng kattaligini aytgan. Social networklarni har doim eng katta bo'lganligini, bular o'sgan, bular tushganligini aytgan. Bo'ldi. Okay, reverse was true for remaining categories. Bu ham to'g'ri narsa, lekin oxirida sizlarga bitta narsa ko'rsatib o'tib ketaman. Shu men o'zim the reverse was true deb yozganimda bu yodlab olingan anaqa hisoblanadi. Qanaqadir mechanical narsa hisoblanadi. O'zgartirgan yaxshiroq degan feedback bergandi Sirojiddin Malikov degan ustoz. Buni ham bundan ham qochsa yaxshi bo'ladi o'zi aslida. Bu xato emas, lekin 100% to'g'ri narsa. Prosta o'zgartirsa yaxshi bo'ladi. Hop, social networks and email exhibited higher figures. Social network va emaillar da higher figure bo'lgan 19-20. Wow, shunga lekin qanaqa qilib higher figure bo'lgan? Hop, social network 100% higher figure bo'lgan. Mana hamma 4 yilda higher figure bo'lgan social networkda. Lekin bu yoqda mana 24, 19, 20 bitta bu yilda unaqa bo'lmayapti-da. 2019-yilda 19, 20 dan past bo'lib qolyapti. Shuni aytib o'tib ketish kerak edi. Social networks and email exhibited higher figures. Hech bo'lmaganda social networks and emails. Email mana xatga bunaqa yozish kerak edi. Email and especially social networks exhibited higher figures bo'lganda, shunda social networkning eng kattaligini va especially degan so'z orqali social networkning eng kattaligini aytib o'tib ketgan bo'lardi. Va bu yerda emailga ko'p emphasis, ya'ni urg'u tushmasdi-da. U bitta yilda kam bo'lib qolganligi hech narsa qilmasdi. 2006-yilda teenagers reported that they used phones for social networks, making it a higher sector among its counterparts. Shuni half of desak zo'r bo'ladi. Half of teenagers reported that they used phones for social networks, making it the highest sector among its counterparts, making it the common needs. Yani social networklardan foydalanish bu common need deb ketdim. Making it the common needs. Bo'ldi, okay. However, the disparity was less pronounced in the next 3 years. Yani o'sha farq kichraydi keyingi 3 yilda dedi. Mana zo'r struktura ishlatgan o'quvchi, reaching a staggering 56% in 2019. Staggering zo'r so'z bu ham. Eng baland, juda shu eng anaqadagi pie chartdagi chart high of-ga to'g'ri keladi shu. Reaching a shu yerda staggering degan so'zimiz chart high of degan so'zga to'g'ri keladi. Ya'ni shu chartdagi eng baland figura degan so'zga to'g'ri keladi. Buni bemalol ishlatsak bo'ladi. Despite decreases between 2017 and 2018. As for email sector, quarter of teens reported that they utilized phones for emailing, after which the figure decreased gradually. After which yaxshi ishlatilgan struktura year by year until constituting 19%, making it the second least reason for using phones. Shu yerda zo'r mana making it the second least reason for using phones degan narsani zo'r ishlatib ketibdi. Bu yoqda mana making it the common need degan o'rniga naborot biz shuni ishlatganimizda hozir undan ham yaxshi narsa bo'lishi mumkin ekan. Xo'p, ikkinchi bodyda in contrast remaining sectors had relatively smaller shares. Interestingly, in both 2016 and 2017 years, 15% of teens indicated that they used phones for digital camera, followed by noticeable increase at the end of the period, accounting for 20%, followed by noticeable increase. 15% teenlar aytganki, ular digital kamera uchun fondan foydalanadi va bu narsa o'sgan 20% ga. Followed by noticeable increase till the end of the period, accounting for 20%. Shuncha anaqa emas. Yaxshi chiqmabdi. Followed by noticeable increase to 20% deb turib, shu yerni o'ziga yozib ketsa bo'laverardi. Nima kerak bu yerda accounting for. This was recently followed by phone calls that only 20% of teens used mobile device for calling. Phone calls that only 20% used mobile device for calling. Shu yerda mana phone calls degan narsa keldi bir marta keldi. Endi yana that only 10% of teens used mobile devices for kelganda bo'ldi. Calling, ikkinchi calling ortiqcha. Ya'ni this was recently followed by phone calls that only 10% of teens used mobile devices for. Bo'ldi. For bilan tugash kerak gap, calling kerak emas, phone call unda 2 marta kelib qoladi. After consistent decline, the sector composed 5% in 2018, which was the least reason of employing mobile devices. Which was the least reason shu gapda ham ozgina clarity yetishmayapti. Ya'ni o'sha davomiy tushishdan keyin sektor 2018-yilda 5% tashkil qilgan, which was the least reason of employing mobile device. Bu narsa keyin eng kam anaqa sabab bo'lgan mobile devicelardan foydalanish uchun deganda, bu уже calling oldingi gapda o'tib ketdik-ku. Buni hozir which was the least reason deb yozishimiz noto'g'ri bo'ladi. Chunki o'zi savol tug'iladi-da, qaysi reason degan savol tug'ilgan paytda biz bitta oldingi gapga qaytishimizga to'g'ri keladi. Shuning uchun shu yerda aniq bo'lmay qolgan, shu yerda yozilayotgan narsa zo'r strukturalar, zo'r narsalar ishlatilgan, yaxshi taskplan yozilgan, lekin shu xatolar to'g'rilansa, bu taskpanni undan ham balandroq ball olish ehtimoli bor. Hozir lekin 7 dan kam emas. Eng kamida 7 ola oladi, lekin shu xatolar to'g'rilansa 7,5-8 ham olish mumkin. Shu taskpanimiz. Ko'ra oldik, nima yaxshi narsalar ishlatgan, nimalarni o'zgartirsa yaxshi bo'ladi. O'qiyotgan paytda bundan foydalansanglar, sizlarga ham foyda bo'ladi.